Learn English with your Instill.
Hello, Jamie. How are you?
Hi, Alex. I am good.
Where should we go for our trip?
How about the beach?
That sounds fun. Which beach do you have in mind?
I was thinking about going to Miami.
When do you want to go?
How about next month?
Sounds good. How long do you want to stay?
Maybe a week?
Do you want to fly or drive?
Let's fly. It's quicker.
Great. I'll check for flights. What's your budget?
Around $200 for the flight.
Okay. What about accommodations?
We can stay at a hotel or an Airbnb.
I prefer a hotel. Do you have a price range?
Around $150 a night would be good.
Got it. What activities do you want to do?
I'd love to relax on the beach and try some water sports.
Sounds perfect. Should we plan some meals?
Yes, we can try local seafood places.
Agreed. I'm excited.
Awesome. Let's finalize everything by this weekend.
What's your favorite travel destination?
I love Japan for its culture and food.
Have you ever traveled alone?
Yes, I went to Italy by myself, and it was amazing.
What's the most beautiful place you visited?
The beaches of Maldives were breathtaking.
Do you prefer the beach or the mountains?
I prefer the beach. I love the sound of the waves.
What's the longest trip you've ever taken?
A month-long backpacking trip through Southeast Asia.
Have you ever taken a road trip?
Yes, I drove along the Pacific Coast Highway.
What's your dream travel destination?
I'd love to visit New Zealand someday.
Do you prefer traveling by plane, train, or car?
I prefer trains. It's a scenic way to travel.
What's your favorite travel memory?
Watching the sunrise at Angkor Wat in Cambodia.
Have you ever tried unusual foods while traveling?
Yes, I tried fried insects in Thailand.
What's the best souvenir you've brought back?
A hand-painted ceramic from Mexico.
Do you enjoy planning trips or being spontaneous?
I like a mix of both, some planning, but also spontaneity.
What's the most interesting culture you've experienced?
The traditions in India are incredibly diverse and fascinating.
Have you ever visited a country that surprised you?
Yes, Vietnam was full of surprises and amazing food.
What's the first place you'd recommend to a traveler?
Barcelona for its architecture and vibrant culture.
Do you have a favorite travel app?
I love using Google Maps for navigation.
What's the most challenging part of traveling for you?
Dealing with language barriers can be tough.
Have you ever had a travel mishap?
Yes, I lost my passport in Thailand once.
What's your favorite mode of transportation when traveling?
I enjoy taking buses. They're often the best way to see the landscape.
How do you stay connected while traveling?
I usually get a local SIM card.
Do you like traveling during the off-season?
Yes, it's less crowded and often cheaper.
What's the best hotel you've ever stayed in?
A luxury hotel in Paris with a view of the Eiffel Tower.
Have you ever traveled for a special occasion?
Yes, I went to Hawaii for my honeymoon.
What's the most exotic destination you've visited?
The Galapagos Islands were incredible.
Do you prefer guided tours or exploring on your own?
I prefer exploring on my own for more freedom.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.